Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to clear iCloud storage photos. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. The initial step is to access the Settings app. Once inside, tap on your Apple ID at the top, then navigate to iCloud and choose Manage Storage. This page provides an overview of everything utilizing your iCloud storage. If your iCloud storage is mainly consumed by photos, the best approach is to delete unwanted photos and videos. Now, head to your photos, remove the content you don't wish to store anymore, and then visit the recently deleted section under Albums. After deleting the photos, you'll notice an increase in available storage. To update the storage used by your photos, return to Settings, tap your Apple ID, go to iCloud, and choose iCloud Backup. Click on Backup now. By doing this, you've effectively cleared up several gigabytes of iCloud storage. If you're still unable to free up enough space despite deleting photos and videos, you might need to disable or delete them from iCloud completely. Be cautious disabling or deleting photos. Stop them from being backed up in iCloud, which could pose a risk on your phone is loss or damage. A useful strategy to reduce photo storage on iCloud is to ensure live photos are turned off. You can do this by toggling the live photos icon at the top of your camera app. Live photos essentially create a video for each photo, significantly increasing data usage. Disabling this feature can save a considerable amount of storage space. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.